What you doing here, Bernsey?
I am putting you shackle bushings.
Is that how it goes?
Yes, exactly. Well, that's how my Mustang has been the last couple of days.
Yeah,
but
that is
we
true.
found out we need another new fuel pump.
Well,
Um,
it had a misfire. We got that situated, which was because of the wires.
Yep.
And then the fuel filter, which gave it a little bit more better.
Yeah, right.
Right.
Yeah, running good. And you know what? The fuel pump and the fuel pressure regulator is all in warranty, so hopefully that'll take care of it.
Yeah.
But okay, new bushings
Yes.
for the shackle. Okay, I'll put a little grease.
Hey, if you love it, lose it.
Yep. We're gonna go this way. Ooh, nice and tight. Oh God. Oh yeah, right there.
Good and didn't tight.
Okay. So we got that one. We got new bushings for that guy.
For this guy.
So, which kind of funny. I've never seen them individually packed.
Yeah.
But hey, we got them.
Yeah,
that
it
works.
just depends on the vendor.
Yeah, it works for us. The right size, because we've had where we looked into it and they weren't the right ones.
Shot.
Yeah. So, I guess it's a good thing it's a Ford, not a Chrysler, Imperial, or Dodge.
Right.
Love them. I am a Mopar guy.
Yes.
But
There's something.
sometimes they're a pain in the ass.
Dude.
Excuse my French, but in reality, no. So we're showing that we got the housing out because we got to scrub that out. And just like that. Now I have the bracket and the bolts ready to go. This will go like that. So we put the new bracket over, the bolts in, bolted them in. We gotta do the same thing on the other side. So we'll get that done. So all this will be done. And probably the next clip you'll see, we'll have the new shocks set up and clean that thing out. Woo! So, all right guys, well.
That's going to be a couple clips. That's a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, there's some chunkies in there.
That's chunky.
A
And
decent amount of
we're not
chunky.
painting this, but I'll give it a quick scrape. Get all this junk off. We gotta definitely clean all this off
Rapify.
because we have a fresh gasket over there. We got
We're definitely on hold, though, because we have to talk to Aaron about their number.
it's gonna be a minute.
Oh yeah. It's
So-
gonna be
Nasty.
an hour to hour and a half.
Probably the next clip you see is us having the new shocks set up.
Up top.
Yeah. And then starting to clean this bad boy out. Otherwise, thanks guys. We'll see you in a little bit.